I'm going to do it vegan style. The ingredients are very simple. Initially, I'm going to use 2 cups of spelt flour, a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. And then what you're going to do is add a 1/4 cup of water. One other thing we're going to use with this recipe is we're going to use 2 tablespoons of aqua faba. So this is the aqua faba. I went on with it about 200 times. So what you want to do is get the foam part of the aqua faba and just add it to the mix. I'm going to scrape off 1, 2. So what I'm going to do is fold it in here. This is basically what it's going to look like, the texture. So you're not going to do a lot of kneading because you don't want to develop the gluten too much because you don't want the bread to be extremely hard. So I'm just going to toss it just a little bit. I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay, this is the ciabatta bread. I just spread out in a loaf pan. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes and see what happens. Be right back. I'm back. I'm going to cut the bread. Ciabatta. Okay, here's our ciabatta bread, and what I did, once the water and everything evaporated from the mushroom, I add ketchup. You can add, like, of course, barbecue sauce or whatever, however you want to make it, but you know, this is the ciabatta bread, and you can make a really nice sandwich. We topped it off with a lot of scallion onions. It's delicious. Turned out